Roy Allen, Deputy Warden at All Saints Church in Whitby, in charge of the building restoration. We're back inside the gate of our construction site today to give you another look at the completed work and ongoing work at our church restoration. Primarily, we will be on the roof today, looking at the installation of main roof trusses, which we saw about a week ago, and today we'll be looking at roof rafters and ceiling rafters. All right, let's go up onto the roof and have a look at the work that's going on. You're looking at the sanctuary roof and the organ room roof, which is very nearly completed, the shingling. You'll notice the new rafters on the organ room roof that have been created to duplicate original rafters that you can see at the bottom of the sanctuary roof itself. We're standing up on the roof looking at the large main trusses which support our roof structure. You can see the complexity of the design. The wood is Douglas fir brought in from the western US, and the contractor we have is Nor-America. They're located in Gormley, Ontario. What you're looking at is what will be visible inside the church once the roof is installed. The beams above will be up in the attic themselves. If you look at the cross purlin that's here, that will be visible, but everything above that will be in the attic space. Examples of the purlins used that go between the main roof trusses, they're approximately 6 by 8 by 15 feet in length. Looking closer, you can see some of the complexity involved in fitting this purlin into place. It is notched out, and then these notches fit onto steel brackets on the main truss where they are bolted into place. There's an example of the bracket that would fit into that notch in the purlin. That is inside the church and visible, so the join we will not see. As you can see, the exterior rafters are all but completed. Plywood sheeting will go on top of those, followed by a weatherproof membrane and then shingles. We're using 30-year shingles in this project. We're standing on the temporary roof above the church balcony at the south end of the building, looking northeast. You can see the large trusses which we showed you last week, and now the exterior rafters as well as interior rafters are being put into place. First video, we showed this picture of the tower where there were large jacks supporting the weight. You can now see the large truss that has been fitted back into the tower, and the jacks have been removed. Looking north
to the wall, the chancel arch. The brickwork, as you see, will require some further cleaning and tinting to return it to its yellow color.
We're going to head down to the basement. While not much restoration work has taken place, you will be able to see the supporting jacks that hold up the roof and the new sprinkler feed that comes into the choir practice room. We're going to enter the choir practice room, and as you'll see, everything was gutted following the fire. What you see here is the water main that has just been installed for our new sprinkler system. This will branch into different risers to travel to the various regions of the building. All of the drywall was removed following the fire due to mold and allowing the supporting 2x4s to dry out. This, of course, will all be replaced during the restoration. Basement of the church, you are looking at the entrance to the choir practice room. These large jacks that you see throughout the basement support the weight of the scaffolding on the church floor itself. That load from the temporary roof is transferred all the way down to the basement. All electrical services have been removed and temporary lighting is in place right now. Furnaces were taken out and to be replaced. Some preliminary painting of walls and ceiling is complete, but the floor has still yet to be finished. Doors need to be replaced, and the washrooms returned to a serviceable condition.
We're standing at the south end of the church, just inside the narthex doors, looking at the west wall. You'll notice that the brickwork has been cleaned, and the trusses you can see coming through the temporary roof and embedded into the brick walls. We're standing in the chancel area looking into the organ room. You can see from the inside the right and center window, which was restored by our masonry contractor. Those windows had been demolished during the fire investigation, along with the most of that wall.
We're standing on the balcony stairs looking at the narthex screen and the main door into the church. You will see that this area has now also been cleaned completely. Facing east right now to the large doors on the Center Street side. Notice the red brick arch that was hidden away under the paint. A very unique detail in our building. We hope this video has proven useful in showing the work that's been completed by our skilled crew, and the next videos in the series will primarily be inside the building, looking at the work that is ongoing there.